Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2016 Land Rover Discovery. The vehicle is in metallic blue finish and it comes with a 18-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. The vehicle is done very low mileage and it is like brand new. All four alloy wheels are in good condition. It's got front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass, a keyless entry and drive. No dents or scratches on the bodywork. And I do guarantee about the condition of the vehicle. The first who will see will buy it. It's got electric tailgate, and by the way, this is a 7-seater. I forgot to mention that. So there we have the button for the electric tailgate, the rear 2 seats. Very easy to use. When you pull those things, the headrests come down. Then if you pull it once more and push it, it goes down. As you can see, very well maintained. The split folding rear seats. It does have a luggage cover. I just took it off for the video purposes. Comes with the jack as well. A 12-volt power outlet in the boot. And it's got electric split folding seats as well. I didn't know that, so we know now. They're over there. Let me put them back on so I can show them to you while we get inside the car. It still smells like new inside. Those are just marks from the cloth. And the front view of the vehicle, it's got front forks, headlamp washers, no chips on the bonnet or on the front bumper. Very clean condition. So I said it's got keyless entry and go. All we have to do is just unlock it that way. As you can see, if we press in here, I think the front one will lock the vehicle. If we pull it, it's gonna unlock. It's got a half leather and velour interior with 7 headrests. I'm gonna show you the rear 2 seats as well. Very clean, no scratches on the leather. And there we have the rear seats with the huge headrests. It's got cup holders on the both sides. Ice fix for child seat preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department. Very good size of a legroom, and it does come with the Land Rover genuine mats over there. So we have some 12-volt power outlets. The one is the usual one, and them ones you can just plug in USB device and charge it in there. Up to 5 volts. For your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. I counted them and I think it's got 13 airbags, which one of them is for the driver side knee. So the rear ones are over there. It's got in there as well side ones. On the side of the seats, it's got airbags as well. Over there it's got an airbag on that side, the other side on the steering wheel. The finish of the doors. It's got some storage department, speakers on the rear doors, and a child lock. So over here is the same, a part of the electric windows and the folding mirrors. So as you can see, there are the side airbags. Over there is the airbag I was talking about for the driver side, for the driver knees. So this is the condition of the seats, like new. Let's jump in, and it's got the automatic transmission with the fancy knob, no scratches on it. As you can see, a push button to start, and the knob will pop up. The automatic handbrake, and then in here it's got two cup holders, another 5-volt power outlet, adjustable center armrest in fantastic condition, and then under the center armrest got little storage department, a 12-volt power outlet, auxiliary is in there, USB input in there, and the slot for the sat-nav SD card, which is plugged in right now. A multifunctional steering wheel with the voice commands on the left hand side and cruise control on the right hand side. It's got heated steering wheel as well. Paddle shifts, auto headlights, and then over here we have terrain adjustments, traction control, economic mode, eco start and stop function, automatic, auto start and stop function. It's got heated seats, front heated windscreen, which is very helpful for the winter time, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, this one here is very smooth, very nice. Then over there we have that nice screen, very good quality they made on this one. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite navigation, it shows the traffic lights as well, the speed limits. Let me show you how the climate looks like. In control apps, so basically if you plug in your compatible device, you can control the apps from there. Wi-Fi hotspot, you can connect to Wi-Fi for firmware updates, I guess it will be. Echo data, I took shots of them, all of them. You can see low traction latch for the winter time. Off-road information. See what else is in there. And it's got DAB radio as well, as you can see over there. The screen is scratch free, no scratches on the screen. Fantastic condition. Let's see what we have in the glove box over there. We have the owner's manual. And before we end up with the video, I would like to show you under the bonnet. Let's see the engine of the vehicle. Very small engine for such a car. This was the video walk around of the 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.